EMUS?
Grab an egg.
Emu feather.
Yeah. Long.
Is that yours?
Who did this? Who did this?
Is that you?
Who did this? Our duck coop is good. We just did a spring cleaning and I gotta say it looks a lot better. Well, don't look at the pond. We haven't gotten the eggs today. Let's get the eggs. All right, let's take a peeky. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's always a egg hunt with ducks. They don't lay in nesting boxes, so you gotta go search for them. Yay! 6 eggs! Plus... oh, this guy. We've also planted some strawberry plants. They're doing okay. Some of them have some browning leaves. I'm not sure why. Others look healthy. And some grew some runners and they're growing really good. So we'll have another strawberry plant. We also planted sunflowers throughout this whole bed. And over here, we got our bulbs coming up. Got some lavender, some roses, ranunculuses, and then just more sunflowers too. Now that we got our brownies.
We've been working on this fence project for, I feel like it's over 6 months now. We've done it all by hand and a lot of rocks. The result is we only get 2 or 3 poles per day done. And I feel like 6 months ago we should have even started with the tractor and just start hammering out this whole project.
Yeah, we were trying to save money. You know, we have the house renovation going on. So I think we were a little afraid.
We have the money to buy a tractor, but yeah, we have an expensive renovation coming up.
And we found one that looks okay, but yeah, it's a lot of money. It's in Levine. It's like an hour away, right?
Yeah, this would be a pretty good deal. It's a bigger size tractor. It's a bigger size compact tractor still, but it's not as small as like a toy. Hey, I saw you had an ad on Craigslist for a John Deere tractor. Just wondering if that's still available. Oh, is it? Cool. Yeah, send me your address and we'll head out here in like 5 or 10 minutes. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Guess we're gonna go see a tractor.
What did we do?
We got a tractor.
We did it! What do you think of that tractor?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool. Didn't we buy it?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Cool.
What are we pulling?
a tractor. I can't wait to use it.
Oh, it's going. Ready? This one.
Yep,
Oh, it's going.
they work.
They work better than the trailer light. Headlights? Are those on?
Can I see?
Hey.
They're running.
Can I see?
Yeah, go see.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, they work! The tractor John Deere works. What should we name it? John Deere.
Well, it's not every day that you buy a tractor.
No, we don't usually do this. Usually, like, this isn't a typical day.
But it's something we've needed for a long time.
Yeah.
I didn't wake up today thinking we would buy a tractor.
No.
So it was a little impulsive.
Yeah.
But again, we've needed it for a long time.
Yeah.
And I think we got a really good tractor. The guy was able to work with us on price a little bit.
Uh-huh.
We got a John Deere 3005 4x4 model.
Mm-hmm. Manual.
Manual transmission.
That was
Yeah.
a surprise.
Uh-huh. But now we learn what we can
Mm-hmm.
and we start collecting some attachments for it. And I think driving it through the school was fun.
Oh, yeah.
Having Connor, surprising Connor with it.
Yeah, and Logan.
Thanks for joining us today.
I think this is our first vlog
Yeah.
style video.
Vlog on the farm.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Catch you next time. Yeah.